Hey guys, what's up? This is your girl Kundai Kiran Mangena, and I'm back again with another video. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this DIY beaded headpiece. It's a Nigerian themed headpiece which I love. I've seen Egyptians wear something similar to this and it just looks so nice. I just love the whole idea and the whole theme to it. So yeah, I'm just basically going to be showing you guys how to make this. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. If you haven't subscribed, dude. So you're gonna start by threading in your needle and inserting 6 beads. So this is the same technique that I've showed you guys in my other videos, and if you haven't watched my other videos, I'll leave a link down below so that you can check them out on how they are more beginner friendly than this one, because here I was doing it fast. And yeah, so you can watch those videos to see how this method is done. So this time around, instead of making two beads per row, I was using 3 beads per row. So you just create that whole loop, right, and begin to create rows by adding 3 beads as you go up. So yeah, I'll just leave the link down below and you guys should check out those videos when I was making the beaded necklaces, because they will show you guys the simplified version of how you do this. So yeah. So you continue adding 3 beads and you create the circle. Also, you make sure that it fits into your head. You measure according to your head size. So the number of rows that I did for my head size was 56. So the number of rows is determined by your head. If it's bigger, you make more rows. If it's smaller, then you make less rows. So you just want to get it to fit perfectly onto your head. So make sure that you measure either your head or your client's head if you're making this. So the big challenge that I had was the type of thread that I was using. It was not user friendly. It was not really something else. It gave me a hard time. It's not the thread that I normally use. I normally use a natural hem tape, but I couldn't find it, so I had to work with this one. So yeah. So now that I'm done making the final length that I wanted, which is 56 rows, I made this to be 2 because I wanted it very thick and big. So I threaded the leftover thread and started inserting it into the other row just to make it thick. Just make that sound thick and follow the design of the pattern that we're going to be making. So I went on over to the other side, to the other end, to insert the thread because I want to create a circle with the beads. I want to make sure that it's round, right? I want to create a round motion just so that it can wrap all over my head. Because I won't be using clip-ins. This is optional. If you are using clip-ins, you don't have to follow this, but I'm not using any clippers, so I'm gonna have to follow this. So now that I'm done, I'm gonna insert the thread onto the second row. So now that I'm done threading the second row, I'm going to start inserting beads, and the number of beads that I inserted on this first line were 55. Those are the number of beads that I inserted because you want to create those circular motions for the back part, right? So there were 55.